In this video, I want to walk you through Lovable's pricing in detail and explain what you actually get in each plan. This will help you understand how Lovable structures its features and which plan you should really go for. Let's start with the free plan. This is Lovable's entry-level offering, and it's designed to help you discover what the platform can do without any commitment. It is free forever, which makes it appealing for beginners or people who just want to experiment. But there are limitations. It is available to everyone and includes 5 daily credits, capped at up to 30 credits per month, which means you can use it for only 6 days in a month up to maximum credits. These credits control how much you can interact with Lovable's AI and generation features. So while this is limited, it's still enough to test ideas and understand the workflow. Projects created on the free plan are public, which means anyone with the link can access them. You also get unlimited collaborators, which is surprisingly generous and great for teamwork or learning with others. The plan includes up to 5 lovable.app domains, allowing you to host multiple projects under Lovable's default subdomain. Everything runs on Lovable's cloud, which means you don't need to worry about hosting or infrastructure at this stage. Next is the Pro plan, which is designed for fast-moving teams that are actively building together in real time. This plan costs $25 per month and is shared across unlimited users, which means there is no limit on the number of users who can use the plan. Multiple users can share the same subscription, features, and usage limits. This is a big advantage for teams. Also, this is monthly pricing, and if you switch to annual, you can save $50 on the total billing. With the Pro plan, you get 100 credits per month, and if you need more credits, you can increase them and the pricing will adjust accordingly. In addition to everything included in the free plan, the Pro plan gives you additional 5 daily credits, allowing you to go up to 150 credits per month on top of the monthly credits. This significantly expands how much you can build and iterate. The usage-based cloud plus AI feature means that both compute and AI usage scale more flexibly with your activity. Credit rollovers are also included, which means unused credits don't automatically go to waste at the end of the month. You also get on-demand credit top-ups, which is useful when you're working on a tight deadline and don't want to wait for the next billing cycle. The Pro plan removes limits on lovable.app domains, allows you to connect custom domains, and removes the Lovable badge, which is important for professional or client-facing projects. It also introduces user roles and permissions, giving teams better control over who can edit, view, or manage different parts of a project. After that, we have the business plan, which is clearly aimed at growing departments that need more control and flexibility. This plan costs $50 per month and can be shared with unlimited users like the Pro plan. You can switch to annual billing and save $100 on this plan. It starts with 100 credits per month with the option to increase credits as needed. The business plan includes all features from Pro plus additional capabilities that are especially useful for larger teams. One important addition here is Internal Publish, which allows teams to deploy apps or projects internally without making them public. This is particularly useful for internal tools and company-only workflows. Single sign-on, or SSO, is also included, which simplifies authentication and makes it easier to manage access across an organization. Personal projects allow individuals within the organization to work on private initiatives that are not shared with the entire team. The option to opt out of data training is another important feature, especially for companies concerned about data privacy and how their content is used. Design templates are also included, which help teams maintain consistency and speed up development by reusing approved design patterns. At the top tier is the Enterprise plan, which is built for large organizations that need flexibility, scale, and strong governance. Pricing for this plan is custom, and instead of a fixed subscription, Lovable offers flexible plans tailored to specific organizational needs. To get a quote, you will need to contact Lovable. The Enterprise plan includes everything from the business plan along with several high-level features. Dedicated support ensures that enterprise customers have priority access to help when issues arise. Onboarding services are included to help teams get set up efficiently and correctly from day one. Custom connections allow enterprises to integrate Lovable with internal systems or specialized tools. Group-based access control provides advanced permission management across departments and teams. SCIM support helps automate user provisioning and deprovisioning, which is essential for large organizations. Finally, custom design systems allow enterprises to fully align Lovable projects with their existing brand and design standards. In addition to all these plans, Lovable also offers a student discount. By verifying student status, eligible users can get access to up to 50% off the Lovable Pro plan. This makes the platform much more accessible for students who want to learn, experiment, or build real projects without paying full price. Overall, Lovable's pricing structure is clearly designed to scale with users as their needs grow. You can start for free, move into Pro when you need speed and collaboration, upgrade to Business for control and privacy, and eventually transition to Enterprise if you need governance, customization, and dedicated support. If you want to know about other AI website builders like Lovable, you can check out these videos right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.